Fetch AI at the time of this recording continues to see further breakdown moves, and we have also lost a very significant low that I identified on my last video below the 0.3432, flipping it back into resistance. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the key areas that we need to see a bounce back above and the key areas that we need to continue holding above. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the weekly chart, and my analysis has been that from the lows we made in October 2023, we saw these aggressive bounce to the upside where we picked above the 3.4792, where you can see that at some point the market was up more than 18.04% to the upside. And from the highs we made above the 3.4792, we started a massive breakdown move to the lower side into the lows we made in August 2024, where the market was now down more than 80.99%. Then from the lows we made in August 2024, we saw a bit of a bounce into the highs we made in December 2024 above the 2.21 USDT mark. Then from that significant high, you can see that we have been seeing lower prices. And at some point this year, the market was now down more than 94.89% to the lower side. And you can see that last week on the massive liquidation event, Fetch AI dropped all the way to the 0.1249 USDT mark, giving us a reset of the lows we made in 2023 in August, which was our bear market low. And you can see that even after getting the massive buyback over here, this week we have continued to see lower prices, and that was after losing the 0.3432. And I said to you on my previous video that the moment we lose that significant low, then it is most likely that Fetch AI is going to continue seeing lower prices to fill in this week right here before we can find some support, maybe see much of a consolidation before we get the next breakout to the upper side to give us a break above key areas of resistances and significant highs. And the significant high that I will be watching for a break above, for me to get confirmation that a more bullish case scenario is now unfolding, where we can maybe see higher prices all the way to new all-time high, lies on the 1 USDT mark. That is a very significant high that I need to see Fetch AI bouncing back above and continue holding and to continue holding above in the next coming weeks. But for now, I'm only focusing on lower prices, and in the next coming days, in case we continue dropping, we can expect to find support down here below the 0.1787. That is a very significant area of support down there. And if by any chance we lose that area, then the next line of support lies below the 0.06 USDT mark, which is down there. So those are the next key areas of support that we need to pay attention to in case we continue seeing further weakness. And in case of a reversal, the significant high we need to see a bounce back above lies above the 1 USDT mark. And that is all that I expect here on the Fetch AI chart. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.